Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we are live for Elden Ring After Dark builds I have already done. I'm trying to figure out builds I've done so I can figure out then what I have not done. And it's going to be perfect because I think chat's going to come rolling in here. Getting your alerts. Oh, also, we're at $7.99. $7.99 subs, baby. So I figured, you know what? I almost didn't go live tonight because I had to go play a benefit, go play some music. It went very well. It's a very, very good day. And I couldn't do my stream tonight. But I was dwelling on this, and I'm like, you know what? Go live, man. Go live. Adam Freeman, what's up, dude? How you doing, my brother? What are you doing? What are you up to? How was your day? So the builds I've done so far are the Astrologer, Rivers of Blood, Reduvia Daggers, I call it Incandescent Breast, like the Faith build, right? Lightning build, it's a Faith build, but that was like a lightning specific. We did, of course, Big Bonk, right? Big Bonk. I'm going to say / heavy because I also am, I'm in the middle of the heavy swords. Those really heavy swords, a grafted blade sword thing, right? Your day was okay, chilled out, been hooked on this Blitz. Yeah, you've been playing at 1 minute, huh? Let me tell you something, Adam. And play 1 minute, and you'll freaking love it, and it will probably help your tactics. It will help you see things faster. But you're not going to get better at chess very much by doing that. Trey! I'm glad you're here, Trey. You're not going to get a lot better at chess by doing that, so remember to study. And remember to play some slow games. Because if you study and you play slow games, your 1 minute chess will get way better. Do you know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong... I moved the cut. Yeah, I was trying something. I had to figure something out. So, yeah, Trey. What I was just telling chat is I want to figure out a build. Oh, Madness. We did Madness already. We did Madness already, and we did Snow Witch already. What else have we done or not done? I wonder if going to the game. I've got my my little list up here, but see, so many of these are redos. Like this Bada Bling, 515 hours on that sucker, man. And you know, he was the lightning build, right? And he was other builds too. Are these the characters you've been in the game with? Yeah, Adam, exactly. 101 Graffin says all fire. You know what? I have not. Did we? Wait a minute. I think I might have done a fire build. We did a fire build, didn't we, Trey? Trey will remember. Yeah, either beating the game or I'm knee deep in beating the game. But yeah, I think everything you see on this list here, on that list, was definitely beaten. We did do a fire build. Yeah, we did do a straight fire build. Thank you. That's a great idea, though. I mean, now, you know what? I think it turned into a Blasphemous Blade run. Yeah, usually at the end it does, right? And that's fire anyway, right? Frost. Did I do a Frost build? I've got this Teaster, that little tester guy. I think that's our that's our new katana guy that I can delete him. Professor Confessor stays. That was chat picks, even though I might start that one over. And then all these things, clicking on these things is going to tell me this is lightning build, this is Big Bonk, you know, Smokey's Reduvia Daggers. I've got a couple astrologers. I could delete an astrologer too, to be honest with you. So I've got slots. You've done lightning twice. Yeah, exactly. Did I do frost? What and what were the frost claws? I haven't done claws. I have not done claws. That's like a up close melee thing, right? That's a bleed thing, right? That's not going to be much different than like the Reduvia Daggers. Am I right or am I wrong? Or maybe, I mean, I'm probably completely wrong, right? I'm probably completely wrong. You could tell me. Claws are like Do claws do bleed? Does no much build? Was it? Oh, okay. I guess what I'm talking about when I said frost then was something like, that. Remember that overpowered spell that they would put on the ground and the ice crackles? People still use it in PvP, and it used to be way overpowered. They just run in and stomp, right? For the speed runs, they go get that spell, they'd run in and stomp and kill bosses and stuff. Actual claws, the Wolverine bleed, says 101 Graffin. The Snow Witch build was a frost build. Yeah, see, when I'm thinking frost, I'm thinking more like the frost incant. I'm thinking more of that one where you stomp on the ground. But is that just an ash off a weapon or something? Because the Snow Witch, I guess, and Snow Witch was frost. You're right. We were procking frost, man. That was the whole point, right? So I don't know. I'm streaming in a little different slot here, guys. And by the way, if you guys can see the counter, $7.99, because I don't have it here. I should get an alert if someone subs, but if I don't and it goes to 800, please tell me. Whips, man, I think we started a whip run. And I'm like, I'm not doing this. Yeah, it's $7.99. We started a whip run, right, Trey? As a matter of fact, I think we had 2 fire giant whips. And that was our fire. That was with our fire build, right? Those are the weapons for our fire build, and we just ended up using the casting whips. And I've done. Oh, see, I've done a bow run. Your fire run was a whip run, and you switched to blasphemous blades. Exactly. Right. Yeah. So I've never done a complete playthrough with whips. If there's anything besides that, tell me about the claws. I was asking about the claws. Actual claws, the Wolverine bleeders. Yeah. Graffin, wouldn't that kind of end up being basically ish a I mean, how is that a lot different like than the oh wait, no. I want to do like this to make this a little bit smaller. That would end up being like basically a Reduvia dagger thing. It's a bleed thing, right? And I'm not knocking it, but I just feel like it's probably not going to be a whole lot different. Madness, Snow Witch, Bow Run, Big Bonk. Yeah, I'll tell you, those big grafted blade, great sword things, that's basically Big Bonk without Royal Knight's Resolve and a little more range. But it's basically what it is. You could do Venom. Ooh. Now, I've never considered that. You're talking about but is that like a slow poison kind of challenge? Talk to me about Venom. What do you mean by Venom? My benefit, well, the benefit, it wasn't my benefit. The benefit, I played music today. It went very, very well, guys. I messaged a friend of mine last night, a dear friend, a steel guitar player, really talented guy, and just a real friend. I texted him last night, haven't texted him on his phone in probably a year or two. And I just gave him all the information. Here's what the benefit is. Once I say benefit, it's a gig where you got to go play music and you're not going to get paid. Okay? It's free. Tell him where it is, what time. I said, I'm going to go do it by myself. I could sure use a hand if you want to come play with me. And he said, sure. I said, all right, man, see you tomorrow. This is so excited. I'm so excited, blah, blah, blah. And I woke up and I looked at my phone and I'm like, sure. No questions. I'm like, well, I really gave him all the information for the gig in the initial text, the initiating text. But sure is all he said. So I woke up this morning, I'm like, I wonder if that's still his real number. Like maybe, you call an old friend and they're like, oh no, I've had this number for 3 years, man. I don't know where Billy is. You know what I'm saying, right? Mean Uncle. I'm looking for Mean Uncle Billy. I want to play chess with him. So I was afraid that it was too good to be true. And then I drove up to this gig today and my buddy Dean was standing there in the parking lot. And I'm like, oh my God. He brought a lap steel. He plays slide. Really, really backwoodsy, groovy. It's a great vibe. And I played acoustic and sang for about an hour. It's really cool. Had some really, really fancy musicians out in the crowd that hung out and watched us. I don't get intimidated, guys. I've played on stage with the best players in the world. I really have. But you want to do a good job. You don't show off. If you show off, it shows. If you try and show off, it's going to show. You don't try and show off. But if you try and do your best and you just try and do a damn good job, that's all you can do, right? And we had a nice set, man. It was really cool. Slow poison, exactly. You can do it with the claws too. No fire, just venom. And so, how do you do? I don't know if I have it in me. You said with the claws too, but then, like I said, the claws are going to be just like pretty much like the Reduvia daggers, right? I don't want to argue with everything you say here. I'm just like, I can go to, I could burn the freaking tree right now and go and jump on my Reduvia daggers second playthrough and have a blast tearing through freaking Fire Missoula with carving things up. I'm thinking, man, an up close blood build thing. It's like, yeah, I've kind of done that. Adding poison to it is definitely an option. Definitely an option. I know Drew did some kind of a sleep build, but that's definitely not my jam, right? You guys know me. Snow Witch, the Bow Run, the Madness, like, and so you gotta understand too. Astrologer, I think I've done like 2 or 3, at least 2 of those, and I think I've done 2 of these. And the Reduvia daggers, I almost have my second one done. The Incandescent Breaths, I only did 1. Lightning, I've done twice. Big Bonk Heavy, I've done at least twice. It might be 3. It might be 3, guys. The Big Bonk is just like Old Faithful, man. You know what I mean? You want to play? You want to play Elden Ring? I'm just going to NG plus Big Bonk. Run around and bonk stuff again. But I'll put times 2 because I ain't trying to freaking brag or make things, what's the word? I don't want to overinflate. The Madness, I only did once for sure. Snow Witch, I only did once. Bow Run, never doing that again. I only did once. The freaking Bow Run. Let's torture ourselves. Caleb, you made it, my brother. Astrology is 3, maybe even 4. Really, I believe it, man. I believe it. So we'll get Astrologer to 3. So what is that? Yeah, so I'm just trying to think. I mean, have I kind of covered? Because there's variations, right? Like, for instance, the Claw Run. The Claw Run is a weapon, but it's an up-close melee bleed build, which is Reduvia daggers, right? Adding the poison is something different. I like this. But, like I said, we've done the Madness. We've done the Incants. I did an Intellect one, too. Was that Incants? No, that's Faith. I did an Intellect run, too, man. Like with the Comet Azure and all that. I did do that. 10. Wait, let me, can I scroll down? There we go. 10. Int. Run. Azure, etc. I did that, too. I did the Intellect run with Comet Azure and stuff. And so there's not even necessarily, and I think I only did one of those. I might have ran it back, man. Late live after dark, love it. Hey, Charlie and Chillers, Caleb Boyd. Bow would be awesome. Original sword and shield, dude. That's actually an idea, man. That's actually an idea. The thing is, I don't use shields, so I would end up using the original sword. Traces, I think you could do a sleep run if you just do the swords and ignore the sleep arrows or pots. St. Trina's swords to sleep and have a cool Ash of War. That could be good. Caleb Boyd says, coughing my head off. Oh, I'm sorry. I hope this passes quickly. It's like I got a tickle and just have a coughing. Oh my God, Caleb. I'm so sorry. Caleb, I know you've been watching that sub number for me. And if you see it, it's at $7.99, baby. I was at $7.98 earlier, and I looked at my phone for something. I saw $7.99, and it was about 11:30, and I'm like, I pulled up Elden Ring, and I'm like, what if I was going to make a new build? I think our last great new build was Madness. That was like that thing I hadn't done yet. You know what I'm saying? That was it. When we did the incants, the faith build with the incants and the dragon communion seal and the dragon breath, right? That's a totally unique thing. The astrologer, you know, I think one thing I haven't explored in this game very much is an int build with so many of those spells. Those spells like where the little swords come up like Loretta does, and then they pause and then they shoot. I've never even, I don't think I've even ever equipped that spell, I don't think. I think there's more uncharted spells in int than, thank you, Caleb, in the intellect stuff than that I haven't touched. You know what I'm saying? There are so many ways to do int builds. It's pretty crazy. Caleb Boy says parried. She'll be a way to get the parry down. I know not all bosses can be parried. Yeah, no, I get it, Caleb. I tried and I called it my shield run, basically. That was Tom and Perry was his name. He didn't last long because we went and attacked some mobs, and I got hit 150 times, right? And I got a parry off. I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, I parried something. Then I was trying to block with it and stuff sometimes. And I get to like the second or the third boss, and I'm like, I'm not using the shield. I'm not using it. I'm like, yeah, okay, no, not doing this. So I freaking took it off, and that became Tom and Perry, and he ended up with the great crafted blade great swords or whatever. He's got a couple of those suckers, man. Starfist build. I have not done Starfist build, but again, I guess the thing is 101 Graffin that I need to accept the fact that I've done most of the vastly varied style of builds. Do you know what I'm saying? Astrologer, Rivers of Blood. Rivers of Blood is it's an old favorite, right? I mean, who hasn't done that? The Reduvia daggers, I got 2 of them running right now. The incants with the rot breath and all that stuff, I did that. Lightning build with cheese was great. The big bonk has been such a great giving build. The madness, when I did the madness, it's like, okay, this is totally different. I have never cast a madness spell before. You need a special seal or something. The Snow Witch was cool. The bow run was cool, man. That was like more of a challenge with the weapon. Int run is I think maybe, I'm not saying I'm getting bored with the game at all, but I am saying I think there's no new thing for me anymore. I think I got deep enough into the game and did enough different runs to where I did my int build, I did my faith build, I did my strength build. Arcane. Oh, Arcane is int and Arcane for the int and Arcane, right? Int and Arcane for the thing. Yeah, we did a Dung Eater build. Did we do a Dung Eater build? 11. Dung Eater. Yeah, I remember the swords, man. I got a couple of them. Was that wasn't the Sword of Milos, was it? We did the Dung Eater build. You did Dragon's Breath. Yeah, Dragon's Breath was... Oh, that was Faith and Arcane? Love the Dung Eater build. Dung Eater build was fun, man. Yeah. I did a Cypher Pasta build. Did I really, man? That was like those really fast... right? Yeah. Joe H says, I've been wanting to try a Death Sorceries build. That's an int build with Prince of Death Staff. Yeah, Sword of Milos. Yeah, Tracy, I'm starting to remember stuff. I have promised myself, guys, when the DLC comes out, I'm going to try and be more present. I'm going to try and pay attention to the game a little bit more. Like I just called Margit a girl or Radagon a girl or the genders. I just look at the general appearance and whatever they come off as that's what I call them. You know what I'm saying? There's someone on my short on YouTube that went pretty good for me. I told you about the sleep arrows work. Some guys like all the archers are women. Know your lore or something like that. And I'm like, you're right, dude. Like that's one thing about me. Okay, now am I going to become a lore master? No. Am I going to start looking at the archers, and if they're women, I'm going to be like, oh, that's a woman. I'm going to look. All I see is a person with a bow. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm not smelling roses, man. I don't smell the roses. So I am going to learn. I'm going to pay more attention to locations. Like War Master Shack, I know where it is now because of doing like those little challenge runs I've been trying to do and stuff. Stormhill Shack, I know where it is now. I'm just like, which shack is that? And I got to look on the map. Oh, okay, that shack, and then I go there. I know where it is geographically on. Well, no, I know where shacks are on the map, but I don't know which is which because I don't memorize that stuff. I just in one ear out the other. You know why? Because if I forget, guess what? I ask chat. You guys tell me. So what are you saying? You're going to take a bit of break until DLC? Is that what that sounded like, Caleb? Did it really sound like that? Did anyone think I was saying I was going to take a break? No, I'm not. What I'm saying is I think there's no great new shocker for me like there was with the Madness. The Madness was like all these crazy spells I'd never used before. Not once, right? The Big Bonk. It's like, whoa, this is crazy. The Lightning Cheese. Oh my God, this is crazy, right? Yeah. No. I'm going hard. I'm going extra hard between now and the time the DLC comes out. You haven't done a bare fist build. That's true. Jeff Conley, I love you, man. I love Jeff Conley. I can always count on you. I can always count on my Jeff Conley, man. How did your bare fist run go, man? I'm not looking here for like an insanely ridiculous challenge. Actually, I like it. I'd like something easy. The Death Sorceries build. It's an int build with Prince of Death staff. And then, see, because like I was saying, the int spells, I think, are the least explored for me so far. You know what I'm saying? By the way, if you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, and we are at 799 subs. If you like what you see, you like Elden Ring, you're going to be around for the DLC, you like the hype, you like a nice community, drop me a sub so I could sleep with 800. That'd be freaking awesome. You could do a Ghost Flame build. It would be similar to your chat pick build, which uses a Ghost Flame weapon, but there are more weapons and also spells. What kind of... Oh... Yeah, we could go back to... We could just pick that guy up from where he is. Borderlands fan and all. Try out Tiny Tina's Wonderland. Borderlands fan. I'm not. I don't know that game, man. I don't know that game. What is Borderlands? You know, I've heard the name a million times. Someone said Borderlands. I'd be like, it's a game, right? But I have no idea what it is. RPG. I have no idea what it is. Borderlands. Tell me, what's Borderlands? I stopped by the bar on the way home, and that sounds like, oh, you went and had alcoholic beverages. No, it's different for me. The bar is a different place for me. The bar is where we play music to make money. The bar is where sometimes it can be like a social hub. Sometimes there'll be a benefit there or a cook-off. And yes, yeah, it's a bar. But I went by there and to eat dinner, actually, because they have free food. I mean, I could buy my own food. But I stopped by on the way home to eat dinner and saw a bunch of people I love. The band was playing. They were having a good time. I didn't get up and play, but I just kind of went in there to say hello. They had a few of the Borderlands games. They have a few of the Borderlands games. Okay, Jeff Conley with the squirrels. Jeff, no! No squirrels, man. Squirrels are bad, guys. The squirrels, you got to be careful with the squirrels or they'll take over. This Ghost Flame and the Ghost Flame and the Death Sorceries build Prince of Death staff, Joe H. Tell me about that. Where do you get that? Do I have one? I might have one. You guys want to, look around? We could go shopping right now, guys. And then the Ghost Flame would be probably not a bad idea. I mean, I could just start a new one and go cheese myself another Deathrite bird. Trey says, I have played 1 to 3, but not Tiny Tina. Okay. Own it on PS5 though. So Borderlands is a fantastic shooter game series. Is it, but it's not. Is it like an FPS competitive shooter like Fortnite and Call of Duty and stuff? I would think I would have seen it, tried it. I would think one of my favorite streamers like Optic Big Timer or Nade Shot because I'm old, or even Ninja because I'm old, or Nick Merckx, or I would think one of those guys would play Borderlands. I'd watch him play Borderlands. Do a parry build. Yeah, I'm not going to do a parry build, man. I already tried that. We got a parry off. I was like, that was fun. I'll tell you one thing too. When I was trying to get better at Margit, guys, when I wanted to kill Margit, solo melee, I wanted to watch videos on just to watch her move, because it's easier to watch a video and learn the movements than to be in there trying to dodge and watch the movements, right? And all the guys that are like Margit made easy, and every one of those videos is parry, boom, parry, boom. They're just parry. They're parry masters, which is awesome. I don't have that skill. I should maybe work on it. Imagine like Diablo put together with a FPS RPG game. Okay, so there's monsters and stuff. Joe H says the Prince of Death Staff is a ground loot in deep root depths just before Fia's Dragon. Well, that's funny because one of my characters is sitting there. He's sitting there. Oh, wait. He is. He's sitting there just before Fia's Dragon. Now, that's odd to say just before Fia's Dragon, because just before Fia's Dragon is what's that group of guys called? They fight 3 guys at one time? Fia's Champions or whatever? It's not in that room, right? So you're saying like you zone into Fia's Dragon and it's on the ground? They've been out a while. It's kind of a graphic game. Graphic meaning... He never likes my build ideas. That's Jeff Conley. That's because you're trying to destroy me and my career. I love you, Jeff. I love you, Jeff. I like... Fist is a challenge run. That's not a build. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying, Jeff? Yeah, you're the best, dude. I freaking love you, dude. Cursing? Oh, really? Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why I have not seen a whole bunch of Borderlands. It looks cartoonish, but yeah. See, there you go. That's why. That's why I haven't seen it. Because people can't stream it. Because if it's too harsh, they'll get smushed, guys. You don't want to get smushed. One thing about me, don't want to get smushed. It's in a tower in the area run through on the way to Fia's room. You want to see it? You want to go grab one, guys? I think that'd be fun. Let's go grab one, because I happen to have one of my characters is right there. One of my characters is standing at Fia, and I'm like, I'm not going to do Fia's Dragon right now. The question is, who was it? Well, who's in DRD? Tom and Perry's in DRD. Deep root depths. Deep root is a compound word, so I guess that would just be called DD or double D for short. One thing about this character, guys. Okay, we can turn this other light back on now. That freaking notepad, whoa. That notepad, hold on. That notepad was so bright that I shut a light off. You know? Still bright, man. Okay. See, I told you. I got one. Look, there she is. I could knock out Fia's Dragon right now if I yanked to. But I'm not going to yank to. I can't go on my horse in here. Why not? I'm going to have to run all the way back to Fia. Let's go shopping. Yeah, I just want to go grab one. I'm probably not going to do it on this character, but this character is right here. So we might as well find the location. It's in a tower in the area you run through on the way to Fia's room. Is it... There's a lot of towers over here. I know this area. I'm trying to think of the tower it could be in. I know there's loot up here. Calm yourself. I know there's loot up there, I think. Can I think I can... Yeah, I can get rocking over there. Still won't let me on my horsey. Okay. Horsey. It's in a tower. Do you think it's over here? Is that... Oh, that is a mob. I remember these guys from farming them. He didn't make it, folks. He didn't make it. Okay, well, I guess I would have to be up higher on... So it's not on this level. Oh, is he going to shoot poopy at me? What the hell is that noise? I hear a monster. And I hear stuff being shot at me. Where's it coming from? Did you guys hear that? I don't only hear... There he... Oh, that guy. He's down there. Okay, I see him. He looks dangerous. He looks angry, too. Do you know which tower? It's probably down there somewhere. We could just maybe go riding around, roll around. Because I don't think I can go up all the way up. I don't think I can go up. Oh, wait. Oh, he's mad, too. That's the one I heard. I can't get up there? How do you... How am I supposed to... Well, that hurt. They're just trying to hit me again, guys. I guess I can't get up there. Okay. I'm not going to trip on it. Maybe we can get up on this one, but I don't see how it's going to do anything. It doesn't do... Whoa. Frogs. Light frogs. Light frogs. See if we can... See if we can get it... Ugh! This guy needs to get shut down. Get shut down, buddy. Oh my god, he took 2 hits. He was stronger than his friend. Nothing around here, but there could be something over here, guys. This might be it. I think I found it. Joe H. You're a genius. Prince of Death Staff. Okay, we found it, guys. Ha ha! Got it. Gotta dance. Found it, folks. Guys, there's nothing that we can't overcome here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. That's freaking cool. Okay, so now we know where to get it. We know it's very easy to get. You have to have this open, though, so it's late game. So it would need to be an NG Plus to do that, to do that build. Oh, there's more loot down here. Let's get it. What is this? Prince of Persia Staff. Artia Leaf. Exceedingly rare. We can drop down there. Good job now. Remember that. Yeah, I know it, man. I know exactly where that is now because it's right outside Fia's door, kind of on the one that you can get to. Yeah, a little bit to the right outside of the door. We got 186K. I don't think I need to go down there for anything. I think there's a Grace right back where we were. Across. I didn't get the Grace. There's no Grace at Fia's. Oh, across the roots is right outside the door. Yeah. Okay. So that, and I'm sure I've looted that before in one of the early playthroughs. That is one definite choice. It's a toss-up between that and the other thing that Trey was saying, the Ghost Flame build, similar to your chat pick build, which uses Ghost Flame weapon, but there are more weapons and also spells. Would that be a good idea to do like an NG Plus so we could go get everything first? I mean, if I went with like a... Wait. I didn't... I didn't freaking get the Fia's Grace, guys. That's rude. We're gonna leave her sitting here again, guys. I don't know. You guys want to kill a freaking dragon? You guys want to kill a freaking dragon? One thing about these builds, guys. Oh, well, I do have something here. I'm trying to think what was here before. But I can put a lightning negation on. Right? That's lightning. This freaking dragon does lightning, right? We could turn your chat picks into ghost flame since it's already running one of the weapons. That's definitely an idea. Run around and collect all the spells and weapons and use them. Yeah, but that's not an NG plus. That was a brand new character, so we're not going to be able to run around and collect all of anything. You know what I'm saying? The running around and collecting is kind of fun, right? That's kind of a cool part of NG pluses before you NG plus. I'm trying to think. Yeah. I've got. I think I've got at least one. I think my lightning build is ready to NG plus. The 450 big boy. Okay, I'm trying to remember. Oh, I do have a gold vow. That's right. I have a gold vow. Now, I would need to buff before I go in, right? I mean, we gotta start the process first.
I knew you. What is it you to deny?
You gotta start the process first, guys. No, I want to be held.
You are an odd.
I'm an odd one. You told me that before.
You still...
Dude, this freaking... I love this sword, man. It's all rusty. Hola, Dragon Blood Sword. How you doing, man? Dragon Blood Sword, we're looking at all the different builds I have done. And I'm looking for something fun. But I've done the Snow Witch, and I've done the Faith Incants, and I've done the Madness, and of course the Rivers of Blood, and then I did the shorter range with the Redubias, and I've done the Astrologer with the Rock Sling, and I've done the Big Bonk. And that's what we were kind of trying to figure out. Now, I'm going to wait until Talking Secret. Yeah, I want to get her a little bit farther, and then... Wait.
Before the time.
And I gotta start listening too before the time comes.
I must find it before the time.
Okay, that's it. Leave. Okay, do strength int. Strength int with melee only. Strength int. Now, is that a joke? Is there any strength int builds? There's probably, right? By the way, Ghost Flame stuff are death sorceries, so the Ghost Flame build and death sorceries would be the same build. Well, then that's probably our move, is to continue that. There are. Okay, let's. I don't know if I'm able to kill this dragon, guys. This freaking dragon is hard. Let's just pass time for fun. Let's make it nightfall for the creepiness. I don't know, man. I don't know if I can do Fia's Dragon without some help. I built strength in with a Helfin's Steeple strength in. Even the bubble build. See, I didn't even put the bubble build in the list, guys. I didn't freaking put the bubble build in our list. I gotta write it down, guys, because that was a huge one. The bubble build was a huge one, guys. Go. Dung Eater. 12. How do I... There we go. 12. Bubble Boy. The Bubble Boy, man. That was a good one, guys. Okay, let me see if I can make this window a little bit smaller now so we can... Oh, yeah, no, they're never going to fit. Oh, I would have to make this smaller. And I can do that by taking these down to 18. Okay, Control A. Down. Let's go down to 24. I don't want to go too small. So you guys might still be able to see. There we go. Okay. And so, yeah. And Dung Eater, I know I only did times one. Did I do Bubble Boy twice? Did I do Bubble Boy twice? I literally might have. Because... Jeez. No, I think I only did it once. Because I remember being stuck on Elden Beast for a freaking year and a half, man. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. If you like what you see, throw me a sub, and you could be sub number 800, folks. That'd be awesome. You could tell people. You could tell people. I was his 800 sub. He asked me, and I gave it to him. That sorcery, Ghost Flame, could be strength in using these spells and the sword he just mentioned. That might be it. That might be it. The question is, which character do we NG plus? This list I can just leave and save this later because I do want to actually save this because it's a beautiful list and we worked so hard on it. And I don't think I did any horrible spelling mistakes, because I'm not a smart man. Helfin Steeple is a Ghost Flame sword. Where do you get it? Where do you get it? You use a Royal Greatsword too. Where do you get that Helfin's Steeple? I might have it. I might already have it, guys. Okay, back to the game. Because we're talking to her. I just have a feeling I'm going to go in there without getting my gold vow off, guys. It's freaking me out. Oh yeah, no, we got to get her to sleep still. From the Deathrite Bird in front of Castle SOL. How the hell am I supposed to kill him? Well, you know what I could do? I could go summon for him and just kill him. That's what I would do. I ain't all about killing them Deathrite Birds, guys. I cheese the one off the hill in Caelid. Is there a way to cheese the one in?
When God will at another, and I must before the time.
Oh, do I not have the curse mark of death or whatever the hell she wants? I don't understand. She's not going to sleep, folks. Does she hate me? Elfin Steeple is at the something snow castle. What did I do wrong, guys? Where do you get the curse mark of death? Isn't that from killing Estelle? She's still up, folks. She's still up. She won't die, guys. You could also do a black flame build. I'm not sure if we ever did that. I feel like we did. I was thinking about that.
And I must find before the time.
Yep. Okay. I guess I gotta check my map. Isn't that from killing Estelle, though? Have I not killed Estelle on this guy? I killed Malekith, guys. I killed Malekith with this guy by myself, no summons. So proud of myself. You're like, whoop-de-doo. Big deal to me. You need to go beat the fat guy on the bridge. The fat guy on the bridge. The fat guy on the bridge. What do you mean the fat guy on the bridge? What's his name? There's no just fat guy on a bridge I have to kill because after study hall. Oh, so I have to do... You mean roly-poly? So I have to do the Carrion Study Hall? Do I have the ability to do such a thing? Estelle is not dead anyway on this character. Okay. I felt like I had so much done, man. But, okay, so we gotta go see, oh yeah, and guys, Radon got freaking bonked. These things hit like the big bonk. Twin gargoyles, guys, I'm editing the video right now. I did like a couple bad attempts and then just like, oh, okay. I you know, I got to hit him 4.5, 5 times. I think Radon went down faster than each twin gargoyle did, but not much. Radon, I think, was 4 or 5 hits. Pretty nice damn, folks. Roly-poly. Okay, so we need to go check with Ronnie. We gotta check. Do I gotta go check on Ranny or what? Or no? I guess I check my inventory, right? I should have just checked my inventory, and it's a key probably, right? The Carrion Study Hall key thing, right? Dude, this guy. Look at all these freaking bell bearings, man. Would the Carrion Study Hall thing be right here? I only have the left half of the huge Dectus medallion, folks. That's embarrassing. Okay, so where were the... Where would the carry and study hall thing be? And what if Ronnie's sleeping? Because in my whole life, every time I go there, she's freaking sleeping. Ronnie, she's a sleeper. She's a freaking sleeper, folks. She's just asleep. Every time I go to see Randy, she's asleep. Randy the Witch. Yeah, you know who I'm talking about. I got invaded here, man. It was fun. Took that fool out right here. It's nice. Okay. Jumping, landing. Randy the Witch. So you have to do all that stuff for Randy and carry and studying hall, which is always fun to do anyway for me, just to run through it, right? In order to get Fia's dragon. She's asleep, bro. Oh!
Not blind. Even in my... It is in thy... My thanks soon must...
Hey! You know where we're going now, folks.
My thank... A strange... I am
a little mission.
Thank you, may... It was but...
Guys, I think that's what we're going to end up doing. Oh, wait. I think the Boiled Prawn Shack, I think there's a closer grace over here somewhere or something that I don't have. But I think I got to go this way, but I think I never know how to get there, but I think I do now. So we're going to try it. You have to get up to this point, enter quest into the study hall. Don't have to run a stealth for Fia's dragon. Okay, that's good to know. Now I'm going to just put this like right here because I think I need to go like... I think to get there you got to go like... Oh, wait. You got to come from this way. Over here is all wrong. Can I get there from here? Can you get there from here, guys? You can't. I don't think I can get there from here. I woke her up. Where's the gimp? Sleeping. Wake him up. Where's the Ranny? This freaking... Oh, do you go underneath? Is that the way to get the carry and study hall? You go underneath. Right? Told you... Oh, and that's the grace I wanted that was way closer. We're going to go ahead and grab this now. Just for, you know, for Elden Ring. June. We are at still the beginning of March. So we have all of April, all of May, and 3 weeks in June. So it's about a 3-month equivalent. More than that. Come on, don't shoot poopies at me. I won't do anything to you. I think you run under, right, guys? You go under. I just made you say under there. I mentioned it yesterday in chat, if you didn't hear it, but my dad... Well, I hung up on a stupid freaking flower. I have a very important family event to go to in another grace. I'll take it. Yeah, this is the way I think. I gotta go like at the end of June, guys. When does it drop? On the 21st or something? And then I gotta like I say I got to. I'm happy to. It's because it's a very important life event for a family member. I gotta go to California, and so I'm just gonna install. I've already got it in Elden Ring installed. I can stream and play Elden Ring at the same time from my laptop. I don't know how. I don't know why. Well, okay, I knock it down to 30 frames per second. That's exactly how and why. But it still works. Turn the settings down a little bit. This is the way, right? On our way to the perfect place. June 21st, man. June 2-1. So I'll have about a week before I go on my vacation, on my trip. The trip's only going to be a few days, and I am going to bring the laptop with me. And I am going to be playing and streaming. But there just might be a couple of days where I might not be playing and streaming for like 12 hours. So I'm going to have... I hate when I go and I look at the elevator and I'm like, what's wrong? It looks different. I'm supposed to be able to jump and then go through the hole, and then I'm like, oh, you got to turn the building upside down, you big dummy. First time I did this. First few times I probably did it. Then I didn't come here for a long time. And when I came back, I forgot to turn the building upside down. I'm going to run right through this, man. Okay, I might whack a couple of people with the freaking huge swords, right? Because they're going to die so fast. They should die fast. I put lightning on it. trying to remember which... which talisman I had besides this fire and now the lightning negation. Like for instance, check it out. Equipment, just walking around, guys. Walking around spell, but put on the magic one, right? Because these guys are going to be shooting poopies at me, folks. Okay, this way. Okay. I should be able to run by these guys. How are we doing on it? Good. Don't let that go if you wouldn't mind. Dude, he didn't die. He didn't die so fast. I thought I was at least gonna kill him. Oh, he wants me bad. Start shooting your freaking. Okay, there's. I usually just kind of run this way and then drop down. And now I should be okay. Unless he can shoot me from there. Oh no! Oh! See that? That was short, bro. That was a wee bit short. That was a wee bit short, folks. We might as well grab this loot here because it's right above where we're going. I don't know what it is. It's probably an arterial leap or something. Yeah, so I'll probably be doing, 10, 12, 15, 20 hours a day for a week. I'll be ready for to sleep a little bit, right? I will get breaks because I have chess streams daily. So we're probably going to do a morning stream and then an all-night stream and then sleep as long as we can and jump up and go again. And I'm just going to be playing the new game, guys. It's going to be freaking fun. You have to get up to this point. Okay. Yeah. There we go. And now we're talking about roly-poly, right? Roly-poly's not going to be easy, guys. You think he's going to be easy? He's not going to be easy. Because roly-poly is a melee scenario. He also has ranged configurations. I don't. The DLC hype is real. Oh my god, dude. The DLC hype is insane. Where the hell are we going? Thought we were going out on a bridge. That looked like we were going out into a... Okay. I forget exactly where he... Thank God I grabbed that grace. I forget exactly where he spawns. I always wait a little bit too long. We're gonna... Oh, why am I... Well, I have 10 health pots. I am gonna top off. That was like the biggest waste in the world, and call me what you want to call me. I don't care. I should have drank this first. I didn't get the double. Okay. Is he gonna roll? He is. We trapped him, folks. Can we hit him? Well, that didn't work. But I think we got him. If I could target you, that'd be great. Gotta hit him one more time. Oh, we got him. That's hilarious. It's like a delay. Okay, cool. Best Souls game ever. Roly-poly, guys. Roly-poly. Last time I killed him, I was telling a story about... I think it was with the Snow Witch. I was telling a story about writing a song, and I got halfway down here, and I'm like, huh. I just killed Roly-poly. It's like I wasn't even paying attention to it, man. It was freaking hilarious. That used to be a thing. It's like you got turned into an afterthought. Trey says, I'm almost done with my platinum on PS5. My last 3 things I need to collect are in Tree, which I just started. Nice. Caleb Boyd says, good thing we got those future press games guys. At Trey, I just seen a Hero used copy auction offer earlier for $202. Interesting. This is a great rune, right? We're going to activate something, guys. I don't think we've done any activation whatsoever. Is this Margit's great rune? Or is this, yeah, Goddard's great rune is over there by the Stormvale or something. Or in Lenarnana or something, right? Where are we right now, actually? We're in Lenarnana. If you're new to the stream, my name is Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. I played a couple songs I wrote today, guys. I played a song called 1431, and I played a song called Push Away. There were some songwriters there, guys. Really good professional songwriters. And I'm like, so I sing a couple songs I wrote. Because I had about an hour to fill. And that's what songwriters do. When other songwriters are there, you kind of, you know. And what's nice, too, is, you know, you get to pick. So I get to pick the songs I wrote. Or that I'm going to sing. And so I play the ones that are the best ones. You know what I'm saying? And it was cool. It was really good, man. Yeah, Caleb, I'm glad I got one of each for my children. Oh, for my collection. I thought you said for your children. First mark of death, folks. Stargazer heirloom. Now we can go kill a Fia's dragon and then start looking at that scenario. So we're good now, right? I don't have to go back and talk to Ranny. Check in with her. Till she screws up my next freaking thing. Okay. Now I'm going to wait till she's asleep. Then I'm going to buff up, and then I'm going to talk to her, right? Children, yeah, collection, not children. But you know, some people... Oh, wait. No, if I do this now, I go in, right? It doesn't matter. I said leave. I'm going to leave. I'm going to buff. I'm going to give it to her. If I have to go back, rest again, come back, I'll do it. I just want my golden vow, guys. And get away from her when I'm, like, touching my weapons, because I do not... One thing we don't need. See? I could have kicked her, guys. I could have kicked her. Oh, because I got a two-handed. I guess I can... If I have to. I'll flask up inside the dragon. That was poor buffing procedure. Give the curse mark. Let's go. 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 We're burning golden vow. I should be clicking the ball chimp blessing too, right, guys?
I will end it with new life as the rullies brandish this justice.
Yeah, it's really weird the way we're kind of hanging out and you're kind of holding on to me.
Brandish stay the by becoming.
That's it. That's it, right? Okay, yeah, now we rest again and she'll be dead. I am not qualified to have weapons around. Because if I whack her, we're going to have to talk to the Pope, right? Yeah, I'm not giving yet. Oh, did I gave it to her, right? Yeah. Oh, thank you, Trey. Now she should be gone. She's still up, guys. I gotta talk to her again. My question is, am I gonna have to? I don't mind. I'm gonna drink. I want my buffs, folks. I don't have a lot of buffs. I want them. I want my buffs. Come on. We're gonna talk in secret if we can, folks. Sophia and her crazy dragon. Talk in secret. It's goodbye. Yeah, if you got to keep talking about.
This is goodbye.
Okay.
I choose and I will bear who will inherit. What greater?
That's
If
it.
I choose, and I will bear a child who will inherit.
Yeah, inherit your warrant too. There we go. Okay, leave. Yep. Okay. Now I gotta rest. And then I'm gonna touch her. I mean, she'll be dead. Just her clothes will be there or something, right? Or no, she'll be dead. Then when I come back, just her clothes will be there. Yeah, I think I remember now. And then we get Fia's hood, which I've worn before, actually. Not in real life, in game. Level up. We actually have a level. Guys, my strength is 69. Listen, my vigor is 50. My mind is 23. My endurance is 50. My strength is 69. My dex is 25. My int is 9. My faith is 9. And my arcane is 7. I think it's dex. Okay. But my strength is 69. And we're keeping it there for fun. For the meme. Because we're 12. Because I'm 12. Okay. Buffing up time, guys. It's buffing time again. You're going to leave me. I could see the faraway look in your eye. Okay, wait. I don't even want to be looking at her when I do this because I'm afraid I'm going to whack her with it. You know what I mean? Proper buffing procedure, guys. Let's go. Let's go. All that stuff and now, you know. Watch me just get freaking cheesed by that freaking dragon. Oh, I didn't use the ball chin blessings. We're fighting. I just got to go because I got to hit him while we're buffed. Jump attacks. I didn't jump. Okay, those hurt because I gotta move. Okay, that hurt. There you go. Oh my god, fire. Dude, we didn't get hit by the fire. Tell me that wasn't lucky. I was just using that on Millennia, by the way. Okay. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Oh no! I could die here. Okay. Put back in it. That didn't hurt. Okay, the golden valve's gone. Oh my god. Dude, the roll! And he hits me. Going in. I'm gonna die. Got him! Gotta dance! It's rough, guys. These things are rough. They slap, but man, look. Just like the recovery time, you know? I didn't need no stinking ball chin blessings. I'll use them now. Hey, Trey. Love it, man. Very good. Inventorio. Bust out a ball chin blessing. Collect dragon in the game. In my, okay, Inventorio. The other ball chin blessing. I have way too many ball chin blessings in my inventory, guys. There we go. Dude, that was freaking fun, man. Hey, and you know what? We still had one health pot left. Like, what? Yeah, this is not the big bunk. Mending rune from the Death Prince. Now wait. Did I already get her clothes? Did I already get her clothes? I did okay there. A couple of those things I wasn't sure what to do. Oh, I mean, I was fighting the camera. You know what I mean? Now you can do that ending. The fee is ending. I just want her clothes, bro. You know why? No reason. Okay. There we go. That was good. That was well worth it. Now, is there anything I can do from here or deeper depths? I mean, I know there's loot. I know there's like a knight over there I usually kill. I'm not going to. But deeper depths, this is the whole point of coming, right? Coolest dragon in the game. That's a very, very freaking cool dragon. It's hard for me to argue that is not the coolest dragon in the game. Whoa. What is the glow on me? That must have been my my flask. So the question now is, which character do we go to, guys? Which character do we go to? That was the Bald Chin Blessings. Oh, the Bald Chin Blessing. Nice. Bopham's? That was Bopham's. Bopham Bald Chin Blessings. Okay. I don't really care. Like, I still have my Reduvia Dagger Millennia, and I'm going to be playing that one still too. So I'm thinking maybe just, you said we could start over. Oh, no. Yeah. What we do is we go to Lightning Boy, and then we go start collecting stuff. I probably already have all the incants. Maybe I don't. But I went on a tear buying everything I could freaking find in the game. You still have Millennia on Reduvia and Lightning. Right. Because Lightning might be the one that I do this this new build on. So I might just forego that Millennia. I don't This was I definitely did Elden Beast. Elden Throne. Oh, wait. Yeah, and you could tell if I burned the tree, right? I'm trying to think if I did Elden Beast with Lightning build. If I did it with you guys. The big challenging one was a Snow Witch. Oh, so I haven't burned the freaking tree on... Oh, no, I have. Yeah, so this means it's done, right? Oh, no, but wait. Yeah, because all the malarkey. Yeah, so trees burned, fog wall there that I can't go in. That means Elden Beast is dead, right? Yeah, I think we did. I'm trying to remember what spells I was using. Can't go in, and the trees burnt, so that means it's done. Yeah, Reduvia still has to do Malekith. Exactly. So this is the one. Now, let's talk about incants, folks. These sorceries. A memorized spell. Look at all slots we got, guys. It's going to be great. Let's just look around. And they're called black. So is it like these guys? Noble Presence. And, well, that's a black flame. What are the spells that you guys were talking about for that build? The Death Sorcery Ghost Flame build. Are those them? So there would be Black Flame. There would be some of these Black Flame guys right here. Black Flame Ritual, Noble Presence, and Scouring Black Flame. Is that what we're talking about here? What kind of black are we talking about here? Fia's Mist. Ancient Death Rancor. I don't think I have it. I didn't see... Oh, and there's Poison Mist. This one, Black Flame Protection. Increases physical damage negation. That's pretty cool. No, Black Flame is not Death Sorcery. So, it would be here. I gotta scroll down. I got Rancor Call. I got Rancor Call. Have you guys seen Tibia's summons, man? I watched Scumnut do a freaking a playthrough with that, and it was hilarious. So this is one of them. Rancor Call is one of them. What? Do I not have them all? Oh wait, are they down here? No, those are Black Flame. Rancor Call and Tibia's summons are both death sorceries. Are there any other death sorceries? Are they all in the same region of Tibia? Is Fia's Mist also a death sorcery? It says these are all sorceries, yeah. So is it just these three? Right? Rancor Call, Fia's Mist, and Tibia summons? And Tibia's summons aren't a summons, it's actually a spell, right? And they like because they miss a lot. Those are 3 death sorceries, and there are more you don't have. Donde está? Where do we get death sorceries, man? Is there a death sorcery store? Like I don't know. It might not have been this character, man, but I think like I went to Selin, and I think I went to the Pope on this character, and I think I bought every damn thing I could freaking find, guys. I don't have Selin's, where is Selin's freaking, oh, it's over here. It's over on this road. Right? Wait. Is it Waypoint Ruins? No? Maybe it is, huh? You have 4 of like 5 or 6. Hey everyone, John Cairns. So I guess what I need to do is make a list of what I have. And then... Isn't... Is it up here around the corner? Where to find Ancient Death Rancor dropped by the Death Viper in Liurnia. I got that one though. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna read that in 1 second. Yeah. See, here's Celia, but like I said, I think I have everything. She's not gonna have it, huh? I went the wrong way. We're gonna get poopy on us. I just ran into the first sorcerer lady I knew of. You know what I mean? Hey! Oopsie! This is gonna be hard to get off, though, man. I might have to hit him with the Lansack's Glaive. We'll try it with the Lightning Strike and see if I can kill him as he comes at me. You know what I'm saying? Just cast it, right? That would be cool. This poor guy's got no chance. Hold on. And then I'm just gonna run in and cast. The time! Gotta dance. That was the move. That was the technique, folks, to use the cheese on the Pumpkinhead build. Okay. So I don't get any of that stuff from Selin. Is that what you're saying? Okay, I don't have the 2 best ones. Ancient Death Rancor is the one I have, dropped by Death Viper and Liurnia. I have that. Okay. Oh, I don't have that one. Oh. Deathrite Bird in Liurnia of the Lakes, to the east of Raya Lucaria Academy at night, south of Gate Town, north side of Grace. Okay, we're going to go get that one right now. I'm just coming here to look to see, because I think I went around, and then the Explosive Ghost Flame will go grab that too. We're just going to have a level, we're just going to have a level 50. I mean, a level 450 playthrough, which can be fun. See, held. Yeah, okay. Okay, so, Raya Lucaria, wait, south of Gate Town, north, site of Grace. Gate Town north. Oh, I don't have a lot of freaking. I don't have Gate Town north, site of Grace. To the east of Raya Lucaria Academy at night, south of Gate Town north, site of Grace. Okay, so I guess we'll come here and head east. No. East of Raya Lucaria. At night, south of the Gate Town north, site of Grace. In Gate Town north, I don't have. So it's east. There are only 5 death sorceries, Caleb. Okay, so I got to change it tonight, and then I'm going to go looking on the east side of Raya Lucaria, I guess. Right? And hopefully we'll freaking find it. Oh, yeah. And it said south of the Gate Town north, site of Grace. I don't know where that Grace is. Oh, wait, dang it. I think it is night, but I want to pass tonight. Come on, buddy. Pass time until night. Okay. Looking. Yeah, watch out for the bear, guys. Bear can be a great annoyer of people. Okay, I'm on the east side of Raya Lucaria at night. And it's south of the North Gate Grace, which I would think if I went north, because I'm on the east side of it. Does anyone know where the Deathrite Bird is? The other Prince of Death Staff with this character, too, would be even better. We'll take a look and see. Does anyone know where the North Gate Grace is? Because I have run on the east side. There could be a Grace over here called North Gate Grace. That would make a little bit of sense. I don't know, though. I went too far, he said. Go back south. And I wonder where that North Grace is, but... And am I like, was I riding too close to the academy? Maybe come out here a little bit more? Now, I know that, I know the one, oh, there it is right here. This is probably the North Gate Grace. And then we go south from here. Gate Town North. Okay, it says south. Should I buff now? Shh. Will I have time? Going south. He spawns in, doesn't he? Just the other side of that building. Is it not night anymore? How long does it stay night when you rest till night? went too far, I'm sure. South of the gate town, north site of Grace. All I can do is go south. I went south, didn't I? I went to the right last time. We'll go around this way to. Oh God, that was it, right? Probably gonna be too fast to come to me. Okay. I got time to freaking hold on. Whoa, I thought I did. Okay. Didn't even hit it. Is he like immune to freaking lightning or something? Moves too far away from it. Well, I got him at 50%. And he really... I try to roll that. He walked into the end of it. I only have 2 more health pots. I'm wasting. What happened? I got frostbite now. This is bad. Kill me with the frostbite. Kill me with the frostbite, folks. The cheese is gonna work. I'm thinking the land sacks thing is gonna work better. It's kind of fitting. It's kind of fun too because it's exactly. We just killed Fia's dragon, and now we're gonna use a spell. Oh, it's not morning anymore. It's not night anymore. Duh. Yeah, and I mean, I'm collecting stuff right now, guys. This is not the playthrough. Oh, I could have just ported, right? So, like, I could actually summon for this too. Like I don't care. I don't even care. You know what I'm saying? Oh wait, past time, you big dummy. Why'd I come here? Past time. Could I summon for that thing? I didn't even see. Didn't even see. Switch. What do we like, guys? What do we like? Teacher's so aggressive. But I don't know if I can summon for this guy. Oh, wow. That away. Can you summon for this fool, folks? Does anyone know? Death right bird. Lanernana. I might have been better off with the cheese, folks. Dude, these guys are freaking hard. I thought you could summon for these. I'm doing almost no damage. And yeah, not even close. Just not even close. And I can't summon for him. I mean, I could summon Trey. Yeah, exactly. I didn't see any way to summon Ashes, man. I didn't see any way to summon ashes. You want to... It wasn't there, right? Can you not summon for Deathrite Birds? Does anyone know? Is that a thing? These things are all just way too slow. I had a better chance with the cheese build, guys. I really did. There are a couple times I could have got some nice cheese off, to be honest with you. What are we doing here? Passing time. Till nightfall. I'm not going to be able to pass time. I can make it nightfall and then summon you. Like... Oh, equipment. Wait. So. Where's my rooms? I didn't get my runes. It's over there. Stay! Barely hit him. Barely hit him. He just jumped. I want to cast. That was a big mistake, but we got him to 50%. If he doesn't kill me. Too far away. He's doing the peck thing. You want me to join? Yeah. The next one's way harder than this one. Yeah, for sure. Totally. Because with two of us, I can do better. With Yeah. We're collecting, guys. We're collecting. Okay, wait a minute. Here, this, switch that back to the. Oh no, that was just the dirty tongue. Can I put it down right here on top of all this malarkey? I think I have to rest until night first, right? Okay, yeah. I'm gonna tell me when you're on, because I'm gonna rest until night, and then I'll put the finger down, and hopefully, we can. It's real close. That's good news, right? Yeah, this spell that Fortisax was using, guys, that I just tried a minute ago on him. This Lansax glaive, dude. Oh, so maybe that's not. Well, it's kind of the same thing, I think. It up close charged knocks Melania on her freaking butt, man. It's freaking hilarious, guys. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We still at $7.99, folks. Guys, I'm trying to hit 800 subs by today, man. If you haven't subbed, you like what you see. If you like Elden Ring, if you like puppies, if water's wet, if life is good, freaking throw me that 800 sub, man. You go down in history. If you want my opinion on the build, I would use 2 Heffin Steeples and 2 Prince of Death Staves and use Ancient Death Rancor, Explosive Ghost Flame, and Tibia Summons. The other 2 spells aren't great. That sounds like a good deal, man. You and Joe H kind of came up with the hybrid ideas. It's pretty much the same thing, right? So it's gonna be cool. Grabbing water. 1 second. I'm on a bad sleeping schedule, guys. I've been staying up past 6. It's bad. I want to get on a normal schedule. I think the only way to do it is to stay up for 24 hours. Tomorrow's Monday, right? Because if I stay up all night, I have a meeting thing I have to go to in the morning, and then I'll come back and do chess, and then we'll stream Elden Ring After Dark at 8, And then I'll be freaking exhausted. But you know what will happen? I'll fall asleep and take a nap for 2 hours. I'll screw everything up again. It's bad, guys. It's really bad. You can put the ash on both swords just like Big Bunk. Yeah, but is it worth it? Like, because Big Bunk, it's not. Can I put a dirty finger down on uneven terrain, folks? Oh, there's a message that says south ahead. That is so nice, telling you where the Deathrite bird is. That's pretty cool. Tell me when you're ready, and I'm going to pass, so someone would need to drop him another staff. Right. And, you know, I don't... I have one, but this guy's level 455, guys. What's that staff called? I might have 3 of them on this character. I really might. Probably not. It was... let me get down to the staffs, guys. Let me get down to the staffs. I might have 2. I might have 2 already. I might have 3. I'll drop... There's my Cypher Pastas! Oh, no, but they're not leveled. That is odd. Why would I have... I guess I just looted 2 over time, right? Okay. Staff... I got 2 staffs of the guilty, so that'll be good. Then my human queen staff. Oh, no, this was not the character I grabbed it. I grabbed it on. I grabbed it on the other character. So I would need to go get it, and I don't have it on this character, guys. My mouse wheel is freaking jacked, guys. It's freaking horribly annoying. Couple of meteorites, a glintstone, carrion regal, albironic, staff of loss, Gelmer glintstone, demi-human queen, couple diggers, academy glintstone, and an astrologer. Nope, I don't have it on this. So I would need to get it dropped, but I could drop you one right back. You could also just use Lucette staff. It also applies to these spells. No. No, we have to use the correct, what's it called? What's it called? What? Really? You mean... Can I drag this? Staff of the Guilty? Staff of the Guilty? Is that the one? That's not what I just picked up, is it? You said... Prince of Death's Staff. No. Yeah, no, it's okay, man. It's okay, Trey. Because you know how often I'm looking for something and I'm like, I don't have it. You guys are all, I saw it. It was there. Like, and I go back and it was there. Yeah. Yeah. Looks similar to that one. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, play chess. So we play Elden Ring After Dark. We're going to do all the downloadable content till our freaking brains explode. I would say, I almost said till they fry, but we might be fried from this one. We have no runes. I got a big pile of them over there. I'm going to go get them. Tell me when you're ready, Trey. Is it still nighttime? Wait, oh, wait. Stop. I'm going to grab these runes while I can. If I can. I picked them up, right? Get me, it's only 500,000, guys, but we do have some setup to do. And if I need to buy anything. Like, I'm going to buy Sombers or something. Okay. Past time. Logging in now. Tell me when you got your dirty finger down, brother. Prince of Death, right. Prince of Death staff. Yeah, that's different. So I could pour it over there and grab one. If this guy did that stuff, I think he did. Do I get... Let me look. I don't think I have the staff. I'll look. I'm sure Drew does. And if not, if you don't, you can just go run and pick one up. Oh, it takes a minute, right? Yeah. And you can run and pick one up. And I can even drop one back to you off one of my other characters, man. Let's see if we can find the DRD. Guys. There is no underground map for this guy. This guy has not done Deep Root Depths. So if I want that staff, I'm going to have to run Deep Root Depths. And how do you get to Deep Root Depths? How does one even get to Deep Root Depths? You got to kill the twin gargoyles, right? That's the ride up the elevator. And twin gargoyles, you have to go to Nokron, right? And Radon's not dead. Wow. That could be kind of fun. Cat may too, right? But we might not see her for a while. Oh, is Cat busy? We can both go run and pick one up. I can drop you mine. Yeah. Thing is, I gotta kill Radon to get to Nokron, I think, to get to Twin Gargoyles, to get to Deep Root Depths. You know what I'm saying? Cool. Yeah, I don't blame you for not having the grace for this one. I just hope it works like to where it'll stay nightfall and stuff. We just gotta run directly south. It'll be right there. And we should be able to take this fool out, man. We should be able to take this fool out. I'm trying to think. The glaive. The glaive might be the best. Or the cheese. Maybe the cheese could really work too if Trey's here. Because I got him to 50%, right? Hitting him like once or once and a half or something. So I can do some big damn with the Ancient Dragon Lightning Strike. We are here at Charlie Sardo Gaming fixing to... We're making a build a... what the hell is it called? Prince of Death staff. I'm going to need 2. But I haven't opened up Deep Root Depths yet. Crazy. This guy's like... this guy's ready to... He's ready to NG Plus. The Yomps too. But that could be kind of fun, man. Radon, do some summons, run in there, one-shot him. Multiplayer. It's the old one. I should change it. I could change it to yours. It's because we keep changing them back. It's 5, right? Is it 654 or 54? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I think, right? Yep. Oh, okay. We're finger down with donuts. Okay, fine. Nuts. Done. Done. Okay. And I'm gonna pass till nightfall, and then I'm gonna put the dirty finger down, which I have right here. It's gonna be fun to see. Yeah, I'm going to. Yeah. I put it back to donuts. Past time, nightfall. We got to make this quick, folks. We got to make it quick. Oh, it did it not go down? There it is. There he is. Let's do this. Okay, strategy, kill Berg. That's my strat. You do it how you want. You want to help me with mine after? Of course. Absolutely. That would be freaking awesome. StreamRock comes on at a very opportune time. Okay. 50%, not bad. Okay. Stay alive. He moved! That was not near as bad as one might have thought it could be. Hey! Good damn there, Trey. Good damn. I don't know if I have time to help you with yours, man. That took too long. Thank you, Trey. You're the best. Meet you back over at the Grace, buddy. We're gonna grab another one right. I could just I could pour it right. It's like right here. But Okay, he's going to put his dirty finger down, and then we're going to kill that freaking bird again, and we're both getting these killer death sorceries. That's what they're called, right? Death sorceries. Don't forget to pass till nightfall. Dirty finger down. We're killing a deathrite bird, and then I got to figure out the next step. Oh, yeah, there's another deathrite bird. The one in near Casa SOL, I think they said, right? We're going to go take him out too, folks. Definitely have the graces over there. I think we've got a pretty good technique for taking out these death birds. Yeah, it was easy, man. It was easy. Thank you, Caleb. I wanted to get another cheese off, and I looked, and the thing was dead. So, gosh. Hey, man, got to do the formalities. Okay, there we go. Back to the cheese, folks. Stay close! Big damn. Big damn. Trey, are you using, like, holy magic against him or something? Trey is smart, guys. Trey uses holy damage against the bird and freaking melts it. So you're saying Bubble Boy would have done pretty good, too. Hey! Yeah, that was pretty nice. Okay, so, the next one is near Castle SOL, so it's probably the Castle SOL Grace, right? It's probably the closest one. The front gate or whatever. Main gate. Main gate's the closest Grace I have. We got invaded, but killing the boss kicked him. Oh, I didn't even put the dirty finger down. You did. I forgot to. Same procedure. We'll do mine first. Oh, wait. I got to pass till night. This is it, right? We're going to have to run over there. We're going to have time. It's right over there, though, right? Oh, wait. There are two more birds. This one drops the sword. Okay. My question. Should I, like, summon you over there? Like, Trey, check me out. If I run, like, pretty much almost exactly west, like, toward where the deathrite bird is, isn't the deathrite bird... But should I, like, to save us the running and stuff... The deathrite bird is like up over here by the ramp, right? So what if we ride our horses to the ramp? Yeah. And I'll summon you like right here by this these tombstones. And that way we'll have way more time of the nighttime and stuff. You feel me, Trey? Right here at the bottom of the ramp, because if we go up the ramp, he's gonna spawn, right? Oh wait, I could pour it. That'll be faster, man. It'll be way faster. It'll save us both the run. It'll save us more nightfall. It'll save us, I don't know how long nightfall is or anything. I just know that it'll save us both the run. Pass time until the night falls. Yeah, moving your finger only takes a second. And then we don't have to run the whole way. Through the 7 layers of the lightning field forest. Sign down at the bottom of the ramp. Nice. This was the move. Got it. Second burst. Same like the first. Deathrite bird killing time, folks. We're going to NG plus this fool. We're going to NG plus this fool, and we're going to do a Death's Prince staff. What are those spells called again? I think I see him. Dude, this is the one that poor Asmongold had a hell of a time fighting. How come it didn't hurt him? Did anyone watch Asmongold beat his head against this boss? Asmongold was like freaking. You got stuck in a rock. If we both on this one, I'll drop you my reward, so you'll have both swords. Okay, cool. Last Sight of Grace. I have to rest until nightfall. Yeah, I was so set up too, man. While he was killing you, I got one nuke off. Last time until nightfall. So what are these sorceries called again? They're death sorceries. Death sorceries. That sounds like fun. That is kind of what I was looking for, guys. Thank you guys for coming up with something a little bit different for me. Death. This is Nightfall, huh? Burning tree sure lights up the Nightfall. Trey got stuck on a rock, folks. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark, folks. You and only you can be my 800 sub. If you yount it, get on it. We are making a Death's Sorcery build right now. Before I NG plus this guy, it's going to be 12, I think, or 13. Something like that. He's level 451, I think. I would have left it at 450, except I had 2.5 million runes, and I didn't want to lose them. And I didn't want to have to worry about them. Oh yeah, the moon's out, so I guess this is nighttime. My Xbox run was Death Sorceries and Frost, and it was amazing. Nice. Alright, Trey, same thing. Only don't die in the first hit. We'll be fine. Guys, if you notice, Trey's like taking aggro instantly. Trey's a good player, guys. He ain't scared. I knew there wasn't going to be time for that. It actually did better than I thought it would. I knew he was going to kill me. At least I did damn this time. maybe come around with me, Trey. Oh, I had that was 500,000 runes, but that doesn't matter. I kind of wanted it for I kind of wanted the 500k runes in case I had to buy anything. You know, like sombers to level these things up. These things somber weapons, I'm sure, right? Yeah, they got to be somber weapons. So I'm gonna need somber. That's time. If we were running back, dude, this would be taking forever. So the horses really summoning at the bottom was really good. These guys are weak to holy, so my build does the big damn. Good. I love it, dude. I freaking love it. I love that you're smart like that. I mean, I probably could equip a holy spell. I don't have a bubble horn to blow it, but that's all right. Still squishy, though. Yeah, right. Yeah, yeah, like I said, maybe don't stick in the rocks, man. Maybe come swing a little further out to the left like I am and get into the flatlands. Because we were on the flats, and you were fine. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know. Welp. Peck. Yeah, the bird's a nasty. He's a nasty little bird. He's a dirty bird. Golden, wow. Golden ShamWow, folks. Here at Charlie Sardo. All right, let's do this. Cheese spell is equipped. See, we're going to fight him out here off the rocks. Ooh. You lucky son of a gun. He hit me by accident. What you got, Pecker Bird? Get him! Okay. I think I'm gonna go for a, because I think I may have a Great Shield talisman on, and it's not helping at all. Don't need it. We can stick on a little thing, maybe like a Pearl Drake or something, non-physical, or do we go with magical? Non-physical probably, or magical? What would you guys do? Yeah. No, we got this. We got this, man. Ooh, and maybe I need to do my. Would you go magic, or is that? It's frost, right? Is any of those going to even make a difference, man? I'll just go with the non-physical because I don't think the physical was doing anything anyway. And let me look at one thing too. You like the magic better? Okay, cool. Mix wonderful physic. Stance break. I don't need it. I'm gonna put this back on because I think it lets me cast longer. Even though my mana doesn't go away, it's weird, but I just think it's a thing. Pass till nightfall. Oh wait, yeah, I can do that. Pass time till nightfall. Okay. Equipmentorio here. Magic. Get on a horse and get over to Trey. Let's get this thing down. Is this one harder? It probably is, right? It probably is harder. I just hope my first freaking cheese hit. I need to stay a little closer to Trey and get behind him when he's near Trey. And drop the bomb. This one's harder than the last one. The next one is harder than this one. Nice. Challenging. Okay. Cool. And we can't drink our flash yet because it's on a little bit of a quick timer, folks. This is my Cheese Lightning build, and he's going to get retired, and he's going to turn into a Death Sorcerer, folks. And it's going to be NG11, NG12, 13. I'm not sure. We'll check it at the round table, guys, when we finally do the final touches. Stay! He's up high. knew I wasn't going to have time. I should have waited until he attacked again. Get him. Yeah. These birds are menaces. I mean, I could probably equip a holy incant, right? Because my spell is doing pretty good damn, but it also is I have to really get in there, and it's I'm gonna try one. What's a holy spell, guys? Memorize a spell. What's a holy spell? Like these look like holy spells. Elden Stars looks like a good one. These are offensive incantations. Just Elden Stars him to death. I saw you do that, I think, right? You could try staying back and poking him with Lightning Spear. I hit him with the Lightning Spear, man, and I wasn't impressed. I was not impressed. One thing, Physic, this right here. Oh, wait. Nope, I need one more thing. And it's going to be stay alive and kill this freaking boss. So it's going to be this one. It's going to be hard tier. Nothing else is going to do that. It's going to do anything for me. Just hard tier. Cool. I'll pass until nighttime. Duh. We got this. I've never used it before. It's going to be freaking hilarious. I've never used Elden Stars, folks. You're going to see it for the first time. I mean, first time me doing it. Here we go, guys. Are the night ones tougher than the day ones? Caleb, that is a great question. Who would like to field that one? They only come at night, Caleb. I would do Holy Enlightening instead of the FP1. Oh, I see. To keep the yeah, I took the FP1 off. I took the FP1 off and put the hardened tier on. Here we go. Trey is moving his closer and closer to the bird every time, folks. You can only use one Elden Stars at a time, so let it run its course. Oh, I see. So then I could have freaking poked him. Got you. Yeah, if we don't get it here, I'll do that. And then I'll poke him with the poopies. With the lightning. Hey! Gotta be close. Stay alive. That's nice. She got closer, huh? Oh, God. I thought he was going to hit me. Went so far away. Wow. It doesn't even seem to be touching him. What am I doing wrong? It's not touching him. Oh, there we go. Broke his stance. There's no way! That was feeling good. What I fought a bird smaller than this during the other day. That I don't know. Maybe it was her little sister. Maybe it was her sister, man. I don't know. I just think death right birds are only at night. Oh yeah. Is there another holy spell or is that it? Oh yeah, I'm gonna mix my physics, so shoot Ellen stars and then dude, my dam's going up this fight for sure. Oh wait, memorize. No. Mix wonderful physic. Put this here and put lightning dam. Here we go. And memorize spell. I'm gonna remove this one, and that feels pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna rest until nightfall. Past time until nightfall, and we're gonna kill a freaking deathrite bird. There, Marbert didn't look like you had them. It's hard to tell in some areas. Oh, if it's day or night, right? Yeah, right. Yep. Feel that. I know, like for me, like in real life, it's hard to tell whether it's morning or night. Like right now, I'm wide awake, guys. I came home from the benefit I played, and then that open mic I stopped by, and I was out, guys. I need to lay down. And because of this, I didn't sleep very long. But I did sleep for maybe an hour and 20 minutes. I'm screwed. This is the, oh yeah. Yeah. No, we got this, man. Going in, folks. Too far, probably. Why you go behind a rock? Thought we were gonna fight him in the flatlands. Oh no, I shouldn't have done that. That was a huge mistake. Yell at me, I don't care. Well. Okay. Man. Yeah, I bursted that one Ellen stars by mistake. That was a mistake, folks. I almost feel like I want to go in for the cheese. Still. Like Ellen stars and they're running for the cheese. You know what I'm saying? Past time. Nightfall. Going in, folks. We got this. Deathrite bird. We're doing this. We're doing this for the... What's that freaking build called? I can't even think about it. The evil sorcery build. What's it called? Yours are harder than mine too because you're higher in G plus than me. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah. Wow. Put down the dirty, dirty, dirty little finger. There we go. Hey, put it right where I was, guys. Talk about efficiency. Death sorceries. Death, death, death. How is that so hard for me to remember? Death sorceries. And this is going to be a fun build. Let's roll. We could probably buff halfway up the freaking ramp, huh? But I mean, at this point, it's not even an issue. But still. On me. I can't even tell. I guess so. Okay, that was my fault. I should have known for sure he was on me before I went for that because I'm one shot. I just got one shotted. This guy's freaking rough, bro. But I mean, I went for a cheeser. I wanted my Elden Stars working, and I wanted to hit him with the cheese spell. Okay. We got this, man. We can do this. Last time, Nightfall. Cool. You shall become a sorcerer of death. You already did it. Can you pass Nightfall twice? Death sorceries are evil works too. Well, as long as it's not the unforgivable curse, guys. I'm telling you, man, I never wanted to do Avada Kedavra, and then there was like some freaking thing in the game where like it kind of casts it for you. You know what I'm talking about? Like Avada Kedavra was cast because I was in some kind. It wasn't really a duel, but it was a quest thing or something. And I Avada Kedavra someone. I'm like, I didn't do that spell. I didn't think I knew how to use it. I was mad. I was mad, guys. Death sorceries, I'm down with. Okay? I'm just not down with Avada Kedavra. Unforgivable curse. These sorceries existed before the Erdtree in lore. It's like I'm worried about Golden Vow expiring and like I die in the first freaking 12 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Buffing up here. Buffing for efficiency. There we go. Oh, I gotta run to the side. Okay. He's deleting me. He's trying to delete me. Wow. Can you use a damn great. Got him. Dude, I knew I had it, but I knew I couldn't die. You know what I mean? Good job, dude. Now. Oh, yeah. You want to do another one? You think we're getting this or what? Do we need another one? Oh, what did I get? Did I even get something? I didn't even look. Okay. We got what doing for you now? Absolutely. Yeah. He was low enough, and I had a Elden Stars up. So, oh yeah, now I'm the one. Now I'm the one that has to run over there. There we go. This is fun, man. This is fun, guys. We're using holy spells against the Deathrite birds on my NG plus multiple mini to get ready for our Death Sorceries playthrough. Never done that before. I wanted something new. It sounded sexy. We're gonna prep it. We're getting weapons right now. We're getting incants and weapons. I'm gonna level up all the freaking malarkey I can, and we are going to we're gonna have a fun playthrough, man. This one. My name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. And if you're new to the stream, folks, and you like what you see, you like Elden Ring, I got a whole bunch of content, all kinds of shorts, all kinds of lives, some videos, more videos coming. I'm working on one right now. And you could be my 800th sub, folks. So if you haven't subbed here, and I pretty much post Elden Ring, guys. That's what I do. We have a cool community. I stream in the evenings, 8 p.m. usually. Thought about moving it to the mornings. I think a lot of people would hate me for that. It's called Elden Ring After Dark. You know what I mean? They'd be like, why would you do that? There are reasons. This music in the background is my own music, folks. That's me playing guitar. I recorded all this for my chess stream from Facebook, where the great community was born. Whoa. Try to hit the F button. We got this. Do you guys like the idea of Elden Stars, like, on pole? I ran a little closer this time than last time. I feel like I should have got closer, huh? Oh, I don't want to die. Dude, melted that time, Trey. Now we're lining them up, baby. Look at that, guys. What we do, like eight or 10 attempts or something, and then we knocked out 2 in a row. Good job, Trey. Hey. A good time was had by all. Now, there's one more we got to go. You said, right? And you said this next one's the hardest one? Where does it live? Did you say Caelid? No, it's not in Caelid. Where are we going now? I don't even know what I got. I don't even know what I got, but I know I got mine, so. So what now, Trey? Where's the next? Trey is the guide. He is the guide. He knows lots of Elden Ring stuff. So we're building this build, and he's like, okay, yep, okay. We got to do this, we got to do that. Now, you know, we could also look for the item. The one, I was looking for that staff, but I guess I looked for the incants. Is that what we're getting here, Church? At the top left of the snowfields. The snowfields. The church. The top. The snowfields. Is this the snowfields right here? I don't see the church at the top left of the snowfields. Where is the snowfields? Left of Ordena. Okay, so we go to Ordena Grace, I guess? Ordena Liturgica? Maybe I should... It's all the way in a corner, huh? We should definitely be summoning there, because we're gonna have to run. It's gonna take forever, right? So let's see. Let's take a look at this. Yep. I think I've been here before. I hope no big... Is any big poopy gonna freaking... Whoa. Drop on me or something? Yep. The frozen lake bed, folks. Yeah, this is... This run... Whoa. Whoa. What the hell is that? What is it? What just shot all that crap at me? Is it the church? It's coming from the freaking sky. Why? Why is that thing doing this? So angry. Does it do that all the time? We might have to kill that first. Because we're not going to be able to kill a death-right bird right here. Oh, there's a grace. Well, that changes everything. Ardana's way too far, though, if you said here. Look at this. It's like a freaking nightmare. It just keeps getting worse and worse. He stopped. How could it be at the church at the top left if Ordana would work for our summoning spot when it's freaking a million miles away from the church in the top left? Why wouldn't we just use this grace? Trey? I rode from Ordana to the church, and Ordana is closer to the boss. Freaking love it. Down with it. So it's not near the church. Gotcha. Gotcha. Is that thing going to be freaking doing the blue poopies again, though? That was freaking horrifying. Okay, so I'm going to pass till nightfall and summon you, right? Pass time until the night falls. Now we're going to summon Trey. We're going to go kill our third death right bird for the day, folks. Did I already do that? I'm just afraid of being a failure. I'm so freaking hungry. I'm going to eat like a king. I don't know what... Should I make a steak, guys? Put down the finger. Yeah, you showed me where the boss is. Yeah, and then we'll pick a spot. We'll pick a spot to summon if we need to do it again, which we will, to get one for you, right? We're collecting death sorceries and death weapons for the death sorcery playthrough. It's going to be NG. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not sure. NG11, NG12, NG12, Journey 13. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, guys. Hey! This is the strongest bird in the game. Cool. Well, you know what? Hey! We are stronger at fighting birds as a team than we have ever been. Right now. So I'm down. And I love the physic. I love the physic with the lightning and the holy. I love sending the stars off and then slapping them with some lightning. It's kind of fun. It's kind of fun, folks. What triggered that thing to shoot the blue poopies, guys? I don't remember ever seeing that before. Maybe I have. Whoa. I just don't know what that was. It made me want to kill that thing first, though. We're not going to get there before nightfall is over, folks. This one is impossible to summon. Oh, God. Here it comes, man. We're dead. We're dead. And the death right bird is here. Maybe over here to avoid the malarkey. Did he leave? Knock the tower down first. Okay, it'll be bombing us the whole fight. Okay, got you. Yeah, so you just run up the frozen river, and that's where he is. And I've fought this guy before, and I'm trying to remember why. Yeah, so we'll just summon again here. We don't... Do we need to pass till nightfall to make it do that? I know that I was at nightfall both times, so I'm just going to pass the nightfall anyway. But I know we're going to take out the freaking tower. That thing was annoying, man. He's got a hitbox like forget about it, dude. I'm going to run under him and cast my lightning cheese. I don't see you, Trey. I don't see you. What do you think, guys? Did Trey bail on me? I don't think so. I don't think he did. I'll tell you this, though, the bell tower. You might have to knock it down from the ground. I don't understand what's going on. I feel like my internet dropped. It didn't, but I just... Every time I've come here and put my thing down, his thing was here. And then he's not answering. Maybe he had to go AFK for a minute. This, I'll tell you right now, that walker is way closer to the other Grace. Go to the church. Go to the church, Trey. Because that church is way closer to the walker. You know what I'm saying? It's okay, dude. But I'm putting it down at the church. At least it was both freaking times I just did this. Oh, wait. That just took it apart. Took it away. Here we go. I don't see it, though. That's a crazy thing. Oh, is it because it's not at night? It's because it's not at night, maybe? I was sure, I mean, both times I freaking was just here, the damn thing was right here. Now, it's like it's not even in the game. I grabbed you. The walking mausoleum. Where the hell is it? It was right here. It's over there. Think it's immune? I can't see his health bar. Does it have a health bar? Am I helping, Trey? Is this working? Oh, it can't fall on you, they said, right? Those things stay down, right? Dude, I just freaking got underneath and cast lightning a bunch of times, and I was supposed to be hitting the freaking stuff in the legs, huh? Well, that's the problem. Where'd Trey go? He's over here. Cool. And I didn't use any... I didn't buff at all. I didn't use any flask. Loot for me, baby. All right. Little different fight this time, huh? I'm trying to remember. That's the problem with this spell. It's so hard. I'm topping off, guys. Dumb as it looks. Oh, God. Sorry, Trey. Boy, I really shouldn't let it. A Rancor, here it comes. Oh, Trey. I shot the wrong thing! I gotta get the stars out, but I'm afraid. Input reader. Yeah, that was horrible. Crystals on the legs. They fall down. So you think my lightning was maybe knocking some of the crystals off? Because Trey said he couldn't knock them off, and the thing died. So maybe my lightning was freaking just doing it, right? Oh. You said, do you want to, is the other one closer, or you want to do it here? Yeah, back to Ardena, exactly. I think that's what you said. If that's closer, let's do it. This is good. We got this fool. We got this fool. Rest until the daylight comes. They do so much damage, man. Pastime until the night falls, folks. Stream route comes on, hyping up everybody. Cancel. I'm gonna have to craft some new dirty fingers, folks. Let's go. Stream rock. That's the name of this song. It's the rock style song that I wrote for the stream, so stream rock. It's pretty basic. Not very creative when it comes to naming these songs. One of them was called 241, one was called Chiller's Blues. What's the other one called? Ice Cream. All right. Looks like Trey is with us. Coming in hot. I feel like I want... No. Yeah, I feel like I want... Is there like no other holy spell? What's a holy damn spell, guys? Because I feel like I might do more damn with the holy spell because he's weak to holy, right? It makes him ill, guys. It makes him annoyed. He's coming, right? I think I hit him with some damage, so that'll be good. Dude, I mean, like, I thought I rolled some of those. I think his neck literally was holding me. I think his neck was holding me. Chris is on. I think his freaking chicken gizzard neck was holding me. If you're just getting here, we are on a death right bird spree. This guy right here is NG plus a bunch, and so they're just not real easy to kill. Is there another holy spell? I just want to look for fun, guys. I really do. This one I'm not really using. Well, those are heals. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, but he's already got other stuff going on. So we probably can't use buffs. Enchants right hand. Okay, holy damage. Those are heals. These are not damage spells. I think I saw what looked like maybe one. Creates a throat pouch to spew fire while walking. That's a blessing. This thing like one shots nobody's business. Yeah. Is there any other holy spells that do damage? Creates image of order to deal holy damage. Is that like a summon or something? Grants blessing. Oh wait, yeah, no, it's an earth tree. That's a freaking heal, man. Oh, you can hurt him with heals though, can't you? I'm gonna put this on it for fun. There are, but I don't think you have them. Okay, cool. I just stuck something else on to click it for fun because holy damage. Pastime until the night falls. I'll be there before the next nighttime falls. Okay. Leave. Dirty finger. Down to 11 dirty fingers, folks. Looking. Thank you, Trey. Being patient while I goofed around. Yeah, you can try that one. Yeah, man. We got to do our formalities, guys. Give him a little hay. Should be here any second. There he is.
Hey!
You gotta say, folks.
Hey!
Litany of proper death. These death right birds are a little bit tricky, folks, but you know what? We managed to take out 2 of them twice. We did one in Linernia by the North Gate Town Grace. We did one in the one by Castle SOL. And now we are going to get this one. Twice. Just a matter of skill. Those graces are trash. Where'd the freaking litany of thing go? Where'd the freaking litany of thing go? Oh, were you fighting? Oh, that's okay. I didn't know if it was gonna like do instant damage to him. It was so weird. My runes were moving, and I didn't have any runes. I don't understand it. Equipment. Yeah, don't worry about it, man. Oh wait, we gotta rest and pass till nightfall. Passing till nightfall, folks. What's it called? Pastime till nightfall. Easy enough. We got invaded, but he died right away. Yeah, how'd he die? I thought I was summon my horse. There he is. Let's go. Let's go. I am at some point gonna probably not. I mean, I can't go till 6 in the morning, man. I got a lot more time. Yeah, it did say he died, huh? And the Deathrite Bird does not do any damage to him at all. Like, I know it won't attack him, but like, will the fire kill him or something? I don't know. I have no real idea what just happened right there. Wasn't me, says Trey. All right. The Death Sorcery build is what we're working on right now. We're going to get these, everything we need. It's possible we could, you know, if we got to wait, if we have a little bit of trouble with this nasty, nasty Deathrite Bird and we got to bring in Drew, you know, it can be done, guys. It can be done. Try to trick me. You guys see that? Dude, it was a good thing I got that off, but man. Man, mad. The Litany of Death does some freaking damn, man. Knew that was coming like that. Dude, I had to dodge that. Best attempt so far. Best attempt so far. Yeah, best attempt so far. Trey, I'm sorry, but I got to call it, brother, because I got to get to sleep. I want to thank you guys for being here. If you like what you see, if you haven't subbed, throw me a sub. You could be my 800th sub. Appreciate you guys here. We play Elden Ring After Dark. I stream almost every day, and I post videos. There's a lot of good shorts too, man. Go to my page, check it out. If you're gonna want to watch rewatch a live, rewatch Fire Giant, my first Fire Giant no hit, and the Malekith no hit. The shorts and the live replay are great, and they die early in the live. It's not like 5 hours later. You have to wait all night to see it. Good stuff, folks. I appreciate you guys. Toss me a like. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Absolutely, man. Absolutely, Trey. Thank you, man. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you, everyone, for all the comments, all the love, all the likes, all the shares, all the subs, guys. And I will catch you guys tomorrow for sure. Tomorrow evening, 8 p.m., guys. Tomorrow evening, 8 p.m., Monday night, man. Freaking love you guys. Thank you, guys.